Today I will be teaching you how to fold an origami frog. So to start with, you will need an A4 piece of paper. It can be colored, but I'm using a blank one. So to start, you'll have to fold a few creases. So you fold it like that, around that way. Like that, to make it a diagonal fold. And then fold this corner to the end of this fold, crease, and unfold. Now you want to turn it over and fold it this way, at the point where the creases meet. If you can't find this, you just link this crease to this corner, and the same with the other crease. Then crease, unfold, and now you should squish it like this. This should be tricky. If you haven't folded it, if it's not working, check that you've creased it very well. So you push it like that. And then you fold this layer and this layer only up to the top and repeat with the other side. Now you want to fold this into here like that, and this into here like that. Then you fold it up to corners like of this diamond like that. Then you fold it back down so you can see the edge of the tip of the diamond. And then you fold it back up once more to this edge. Now stand your frog up, and there you have it. And if you want to make it jump, you tap it gently here and it might jump.